Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to the ALACRIS Handheld Vacuum Cordless Cleaner with 8500 Pascal strong suction power. It's a lightweight car vacuum with washable stainless steel filter. Ooh, this is nice. Stainless steel filter. That looks awesome. LED light and 3 attachments for pet hair, for our home, for the office, and of course for the car. The ALACRIS wireless handheld vacuum cleaner has 8500 Pascal excellent suction power, allowing us to clean our home and car with precision and perfection. Effectively absorb dust, hair, animal hair, sand and mud, and liquid. The noise is less than 70 decibel while it is working. And dust, pet hair, sand, food scraps, small amounts of liquids and crumbs buried in cushions or sofas are easy to clean with these cordless portable vacuums here. A 530 milliliter, these are 18 oz, large capacity dust cap or dust compartment is included with the vacuum cleaner. This allows us to clean the entire car, maybe at once. And this handheld vacuum cleaner weighs only 640 grams. These are 1.41 pound. They can be moved freely around the room with it. Front LED lights make it easy to clean up the dark corners of our home. And a stainless steel HEPA filter. In that vacuum cleaner here can ensure that the dust does not return during the cleaning process. The stainless steel materials allows us to wash the filter with water after we use, and it can be reused, so there is no need to buy a replacement filter, which saves money and protects the environment. This is cool. The ALACRIS Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is a dual-usage vacuum cleaner for cars, for household, it's even compact in size and is really easy to store. The product is powered by a large capacity rechargeable lithium battery for 20 minutes of continuous operation. With a high effectively filtration system and a unique quick dust cleaning design, it is really easy to use and it does not get our hands dirty. Also, it can quickly and effectively remove the fine dust and household debris from any space in the car and of course at home. The model is the LT-106C. The voltage is 11.1 volt. The dust capacity is 0.53 liter. The degree of the vacuum is 8500 Pascal. The product weight 570 gram. The product size is 377 to 120 to 89 millimeter. The lithium battery capacity is 2000 milliampere hours and is 3 times. And we have a light emitted diode light. And that is awesome because this lights up your way to the dust, to the debris, to the dirt. We have a charging port on the upper side of the device. We have a good handlebar. We have one power button. This is the only button on this. It's really easy. Push it, it goes on. Push it again, it goes off. Then we have the LED light in the center. Then we have a stainless steel filter and a dust cap. Accessories are included. USB charging cable, so you will recharge that device here by using your standard laptop, computer system, or other USB plug, for example, or your AC power supply from your smartphone too. No problem. Then we have a crevice tool, a dust brush tool. Then we have an extension hose and a cleaning brush. We connect the charger to fully charge the battery, okay? The charging time is about 6 hours. We connect the corresponding accessories according to our scenarios. If, for example, the brush tool. This is really awesome to clean keyboards. I think it's the best way to clean a keyboard. Then we have the crevice tool, suitable for cleaning dust in various gaps, such as car doors, seats, and ashtrays. Then we have the extension hose. Strong flange, high touchness. It can be twisted at any angle, and it can be used with other accessories to clean up various hard-to-reach corners. Really easy and smart. That's really cool. We should operate according only in that 20 minutes because a little bit time after it will needs to reload the battery inside and then we can continue cleaning it. And of course clean the dust filter. I think all every month it's the best. Every month cleaning, but only water. You will need only water to clean that filter system. You will not have to buy another or a new one because they are not made out of paper. They are made out of stainless steel. And this, it's good for the nature, it's good for our pocket, and it's good for us. Yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. The product is completely closed. That means if you have it, it is a vacuum cleaner itself. And if you open the dust compartment, then it is an open system. So then go to your trash bin and dip the trash out or the dust out of the dust compartment out of it. Then you have to back seal it by using the rubber area, which is included at the filter area, and then it's sealed again. That's really cool and easy. This is the ALACRIS Handheld Vacuum Cordless Cleaner. It's a cool thing. 8,500 Pascal strong suction. It's a lightweight car vacuum with washable stainless steel filter. And 3 attachments for pet hair, for the home, for the office, and of course for our cars. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon!